What I've learned is you have to care about that person's opinion to respect it. If I don't respect you, why do I care about your opinion of me? Any female artist will say that they've struggled with male ego or, working with men in the industry. That's an obvious one. I won't go into, deep diving detail. It's not male, it's not female, it's not this or that. I think people are a problem. There's plenty of people that have abused or said things to me or said things about me, but I don't respect them as a person. They make very poor decisions, or they don't have their life together, or they're not a great artist. They trace everything. If I don't respect you here, why would I respect what you say about me? I've struggled with boundaries. My biggest problem prior to this was setting boundaries, standing up for myself. I let people walk all over me, take advantage of me, think I'm the nice one. It got me nowhere. It got me hurt. It got me burnt out. It got me in pain. And they were having fun. They were having a great time. I've been bullied, just hella bullying. I've decided that you're only a victim if you decide you're a victim. I've decided I'm no longer a victim to anyone's abuse, to what anyone has to say about me, my business, my apprentice, my husband, about anything. If you're not out here doing it with me, I don't respect what you have to say about it. Are you out here spending all your savings and putting down the flooring and painting and also running your business? Are you in here helping? Are you in here making productive artwork with me? No, then I don't care what you have to say. A lot of people's problems is caring about what other people say. I was that person. I cared so much about what everyone thought about me. I didn't have confidence at all. I learned in the last couple of years here that was my problem and no one else's. I got up and said, no more, that's it, I'm doing it my way. And I did. And everyone said, oh, you can't, you're not allowed, you're too young to do that, you haven't tattooed long enough to do that. And I say, no, because it's a complete sentence. I have tattooed long enough, I am smart enough, I am strong enough, I can do it. And I also did it with my best friends and not with any of these people's opinions. We're just now starting to talk about mental health. I taught that time management course. It's a subject I'm very comfortable with. It's a subject people are uncomfortable with, and it's a subject that I feel is vitally important to our mental health. Boundaries are the number one start. It's the number one problem we have with each other. We don't conversate. We don't know how to conversate. We don't know how to confrontation anymore. We do everything behind the phones. I'm more about looking you dead in the eye and saying, this is how this goes and this is how that works. And most of the time, it's never that bad. If you just let them have that moment and then you say, hey, these are the expectations actually, they have to be on board with your expectations. This is your process. If they want what they want from you, then they have to do this, this, and this. Artists are not comfortable setting those kinds of boundaries because we feel so grateful to be even doing it. But there is boundaries because I have a husband, I have a family, I have a business to take care of. Messaging client number 776 about whether their $100 budget is good enough for a sleeve is not my concern right now. You can value money how you want. I'll high five you. I'm all about it. I value money just like anybody else. My values are my time and my energy, and I will not negotiate either one. And that's what most people don't have. That's what most people don't have the confidence in saying, and that's why I'm teaching.